In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and make the most out of the Hootsuite app on your mobile device. Whether you're looking to streamline your social media management or enhance your online presence, this guide will provide you with all the steps you need to get started. First, you'll want to head over to your device's App Store. That's the App Store if you're using an iOS device, or Google Play for Android users. Doing so will bring you to a search bar where you can type in Hootsuite. Once you find the official app in the search results, go ahead and download it. It's a straightforward process and only takes a few moments. Once the app is installed, it's time to open it up. Upon launching the app, you will find the option to either log in or sign up. If you already have a Hootsuite account, simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If not, you can easily sign up for a new account directly within the app. It's just a matter of providing a few details and you'll be good to go. Once you're logged in, the next step is to connect your social media accounts. You'll notice a menu icon, usually represented by 3 lines or dots, which you should tap to open the settings menu. From there, select Manage Social Networks or Accounts. This will lead you to the option to add accounts. Choose the social media platforms you wish to connect, be it Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or others. You'll then be guided through the process of logging in and authorizing Hootsuite to manage these accounts for you. Now, on to navigating your dashboard. The app's interface is designed to be intuitive, displaying your streams and any scheduled posts right on your dashboard. You can easily switch between different social accounts and streams by swiping or tapping, giving you a bird's eye view of your social media landscape. When you're ready to create and schedule posts, look for the Create Post or plus button. It's a user-friendly experience, allowing you to select the social profiles you wish to post to. Craft your message and feel free to add any photos, videos, links, or hashtags. You can choose to post immediately or tap Schedule to set a specific date and time for your post to go live. Confirm by tapping Post or Schedule, and you're all set. Additionally, you'll want to keep an eye on your streams to monitor real-time activity. Whether it's your home feed, mentions, messages, or hashtag searches, you can interact with posts directly within the app by liking, commenting, or sharing. For a deeper understanding of how your social media efforts are performing, head over to the Analytics section. There, you'll find valuable performance metrics for your posts and profiles, empowering you to refine your social media strategy effectively. Lastly, to ensure you never miss a beat, head into your notification settings. Customize these settings to receive updates on important activity that matters most to you.